Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. So many of us are shooting more photos and videos thanks to the amazing capabilities of mirrorless cameras and even those phones we have with us all of the time. And Adobe is making it easier to turn good images and videos into something more special with the 2020 editions of Photoshop Elements and Premiere Elements. Senior Product Manager Komal Desai says Adobe's AI Senei technology, also used in the company's high-end pro products, can automate many of the tasks and improvements, but
we still follow Elements ethos, which is to give headroom to grow. We give you automatic presets, but then you always have those flexibility to customize and personalize those outputs.
A great way to do it. Photoshop Elements and Premiere Elements are available standalone, but you can save money with a bundle. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.